Hi, welcome back. It's Aaron Lowe with Master the Voice. Today we're going to look at some vocal cords in slow motion. This is a test we call Videolaryngostroboscopy. And the cords that you see are a little bit damaged in the middle, and they're moving at a middle C pitch, which is 261 hertz, which means the vocal cords are touching really 261 times per second. And you see it in very slow motion replay. Let's watch.
Recording.
We're looking at the vocal cords that are facing us. This vocal cord right here is the right vocal cord. This vocal cord over here is the left vocal cord. Now, this is the area of damage right in the middle, and it's a little swollen and dry, but she doesn't yell and scream. She actually uses her voice too gently, and she's bothering those middles, that little inside middle of the vocal edge, and it's by being too gentle, having this very touch closure pattern, which I think is something that we have to avoid always singing in a mixed voice quality. I don't want every sound you make to be very, very gentle. We have to make some full voice sound, and especially as we warm up our voice, it warms up that skin. Now, this patient needs a lot more than that. They need dehydration to be fixed. They need a couple things to be stretched out. But all said, there's a gap that when we see it play through, this gap from here up is a gap that shouldn't be there. There should be a gap, and it should be maybe from there up, but that whole piece in the middle of those two lines is not necessarily a good thing. It adds air to the sound, and it costs a lot. So I really think that when we go into some of this training through Master the Voice videos, you've got to listen to a couple of these changes from things that teachers say, things that doctors say, because some doctors would just call this nodules and kick them out saying you must yell and scream. And yet some teachers would say, be gentle, be gentle, be gentle. So we have to really understand how the voice moves. We'll see you soon. We'll do some more of this.